Area forecast discussion. Jacksonville. A mid-level trough anchored over the southeastern United States is drifting southward into our region, setting the stage for an active sea breeze and outflow boundary interaction today. As inland sea breeze fronts advance from both coasts and converge near the interstate, 95 and US 301 corridors, scattered to numerous slow-moving thunderstorms, will ignite by mid-afternoon. Storm motions of only 5 to 10 miles per hour and steep mid-level lapse rates will allow small hail and downburst winds to approach 50 to 60 miles per hour in the strongest cells. Locally, heavy rainfall rates may produce minor flooding in poor drainage areas. Convection should weaken after sunset, but lingering showers and isolated storms will persist across the northeast Gulf and Big Bend overnight, with patchy fog redeveloping where daytime storms have moistened the boundary layer. Low temperatures will fall into the lower to middle 70s inland and the upper 70s along the coast. Marine interests will see offshore winds strengthen through midweek as a cool frontal zone approaches, with afternoon thunderstorms capable of gusty winds and rough seas each day. Area forecast discussion. Melbourne. A persistent upper-level low over the Bahamas is funneling deep tropical moisture into central Florida beneath an Atlantic ridge. Precipitable water values between 1.8 and 2.1 inches will support widespread afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms each day through midweek. Sea breeze collisions, especially along and north of the Interstate 4 corridor, will focus the highest storm coverage in the early to mid-afternoon, then gradually shift toward the Treasure Coast by evening. Slow steering flow of around 15 miles per hour combined with cold mid-level temperatures near -9 degrees Celsius will maintain the potential for small hail, frequent lightning, and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Locally, heavy downpours may produce 1 to 3 inches of rain in a brief period, raising the threat of minor flooding in low-lying areas. Humidity will keep apparent temperatures near 100 degrees by afternoon, despite seasonable actual highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s. Area forecast discussion. Tampa. An east-southeasterly surface flow beneath a western Atlantic high-pressure ridge is driving a classic Gulf sea breeze thunderstorm regime across west-central and southwest Florida. Late afternoon heating will trigger scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms along the coast that push inland in the evening. Observations have already recorded gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour and rainfall totals exceeding 3 inches in some locations this weekend, with reports of minor flooding and isolated hail. As storms wane after sunset, on and off light, rain will continue overnight before renewed convection develops by early Monday morning. Aviation interests should anticipate brief restrictions in visibility and sealing from these showers before thunderstorms redevelop after midday. Mariners can expect hazardous conditions in and near storm cores, with choppy seas and erratic gusts for the remainder of the week. Area forecast discussion. Miami. A lingering Saharan dust layer between 800 and 600 millibars is temporarily suppressing convective initiation in South Florida, delaying storms until late afternoon heating. Once cumulus development over the interior regions becomes robust between 19 and 21 UTC, scattered thunderstorms will advance toward the Gulf Coast and Everglades before petering out near sunset. Deep instability beneath an upper-level trough swinging in from the east will allow some cells to produce strong gusts, small hail, and torrential downpours. Moisture advection will increase Tuesday as the dust layer thins and a tropical upper tropospheric trough approaches, further boosting thunderstorm coverage, particularly around Lake Okeechobee. Highs will reach the upper 80s to lower 90s with heat indices climbing toward the lower hundreds. Overnight, VFR conditions will prevail until sea breeze thunderstorms return after mid-morning. Summary of the peninsula's weather. Overall, Florida remains beneath a seasonally strong ridge offshore, with embedded mid-level disturbances and tropical upper tropospheric troughs enhancing moisture and instability each afternoon. The dominant mechanism for convective initiation is the diurnal sea breeze on both coasts, often reinforced by outflow boundaries. Slow storm motions contribute to significant rainfall rates and localized flooding, while cold mid-level temperatures promote small hail and strong gusts. Saharan dust is briefly moderating storm timing in the far south. But as it erodes later this week, thunderstorm frequency and intensity will increase statewide.